ये वाला, just go through this question. October 2003, this was type 2 sum, partly sold, partly transfer wala. Okay, in that we had made a CPL account. Yeah, so please add these things. We forgot to write these things, admin and selling and distribution, because your admin was given na 36,000, toto पे दिया है, total है. Okay, marketing overheads is selling and distribution 48,000. So I had told you when I had explained this sum to you, मैंने बोला था when you are calculating cost price of each process account, we calculate it only up to factory cost. फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स तक ही हम ऐड करते हैं, डायरेक्ट मटेरियल, डायरेक्ट लेबर, डायरेक्ट एक्सपेंसेस प्लस फैक्ट्री ओवरहेड्स, दैट्स इट. We don't add admin and selling because they are paid in overall. They are not paid for the individual process, they are paid for the whole company as a whole, for the manufacturing of the complete finished goods. ठीक है ना? So admin overheads will go to CPL debit, selling and distribution CPL debit 48,000, and then the net profit answer is 1,91,000. Am I clear with this? Acknowledge it in the chat box. Is this part clear? Okay, fine. Okay. Now coming on to ये question, though I had told you all to solve it and keep it. Then I said we will verify the answer later. Correct? Yeah. So let us go through this question. Vivek Industries, 3 consecutive process X, Y, Z. Basic raw material prices given to you. ठीक है? Obviously ये दोनों multiply होगा, ये debit होगा. Output during the year, output भी दिया है. Okay, normal loss is given, fine. Scrap value is given, so this is scrap loss. Process stock, opening stock, closing stock, so this is type 3 sum. Okay, value of opening stock is given, raw material is given, debit, wages debit, manufacturing debit. Yeah, Hinal, I'll be doing that. Yeah. Okay, let me first complete the portion. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. I remember, I have that in mind. Closing stock is to be valued at respective cost of each process. ठीक है? Even if this line is not there, you have to follow this, right? While doing theory, I had told you. Yeah, closing stock valuation will not be given in the question. So what is the basis of valuation? Cost price of each process is the basis of valuation. So even if they don't give you this sentence, it is understood. Okay? Yeah. Now chalo start. So it starts with particulars, lines, drawing and all. I'll do it later. For me important today is because this is the last lecture we have got. After today we cannot take any extra lecture. Okay, so let us start with to raw material input. Okay, how much? 5,000. Okay, these 5,000 units multiplied with kitna diya? 400. Okay, so 5,000 into 400, 20 lakhs. Next, to anything else? Yeah, to material, 4 lakhs. Then to wages, 1,60,500. Next to factory overheads. Manufacturing overheads means factory overheads. 1,42,500. Okay. Then by normal loss, इसमें भी ये कौन सा वाला है, ये स्क्रैप लॉस वाला सम है क्योंकि इसमें स्क्रैप वैल्यू दिया है. तो स्क्रैप लॉस इज हाउ मच, हाउ मच इज स्क्रैप लॉस, 10% बोला है. ठीक है. सो 10% ऑफ 5,000. So it is obviously 500, and these 500 units are sold in the market for 100 rupees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 50,000. ठीक है. ओके फाइन, थैंक्स स्वप्नील. और कुछ, बस इतना ही दिया है और कुछ नहीं दिया है. आउटपुट दिया हुआ है इधर. ओके. सो बाय आउटपुट कैरीड डाउन 4250. ओके. So 4250 is my output. So let me first close the, yeah, quantity column. So 750, 250 balance is there. Okay. 250 का balance है. Obviously this is abnormal loss. We'll be using the formula and we will get the answer. So अपनी balance will be dear 250. 4250 plus 500 is 4750 minus 5000 is 250. Okay. Yeah. ठीक है. अब क्या वर्किंग नोट करना पड़ेगा. Yes, let us do that. So working note for abnormal loss. So abnormal loss in rupees, the formula is what? Debit minus credit of the amount column divided by debit minus credit of the quantity column into abnormal loss in quantity. Okay. So let us total the debit side. So 20 lakhs plus 4 is 24 lakhs plus 1,62,500 plus 1,42,500. So it is how much? 27,05,000. So I'm writing here 27,05,000 minus the credit side. Credit side is how much? 50,000. So 50,000 divide by debit side 5,000 minus credit side quantity. Credit side quantity is 500 into 250. Okay, so let us solve this. 27 lakh 5 minus 50,000 is 26 lakh 55,000 divided by 4,500 into 250. ठीक है. So divide by 4,500. So मेरा CPU कितना आया? 590. Don't forget ये मेरा CPU है. Into 250. Into 250. So 1,47,500 is my answer. 1,47,500. So write it here. Yeah. 1,47,500. Working note number 1. Okay. The first one. This. Done. Now close the quantity column. Sorry, amount column. So amount column का मेरा total कितना था? 27,05,000. Okay. 27,05,000. 27,05,000 minus 27,05,000 minus 50,000 minus 1,47,500. कितना हुआ? 25,07,500. 25,07,500. Okay. Divided with 4250. So my answer is 590. So my answer is correct. So my CPU is rupees 590. And my CPU here is also 590. Okay. So my answer is correct. Very good, Samita. You already got the answer. Nice. Okay, ये हो गया. अब इसके नीचे क्या बनेगा? ये कौन सा अकाउंट है? This is obviously process X अकाउंट. इसके नीचे क्या बनेगा? इसी का स्टॉक अकाउंट बनेगा. ठीक है, तो प्रोसेस स्टॉक अकाउंट, सॉरी प्रोसेस एक्स स्टॉक अकाउंट. ओके, गुड स्वप्न, वेरी गुड. So let me write this. So 2 output brought down 4250 and 25,07,500. 25,07,500. Okay, then opening stock. So opening stock is 750. So right here 750. 750 multiplied with opening stock value दिया हुआ है 550. So 550. So 750 into 550 is how much? 4,12,500. 4,12,500. Okay, that's it. Then right here by closing stock. Closing stock is how much? 500. Okay, and what did I tell you? 500 multiplied with cost. So 500 into 590. 2,95,000. Okay, then you have to close your this account. So my answer is 5,000. 5,000. So this is 4,500. This is how much? Yeah, 25,07,500 plus, sorry, 25,07,500 plus 4,12,500. So it is 29,20,000. 29,20,000. Okay, 29,20,000 minus 2,95,000. 26,25,000. This is what we are going to transfer by output transfer to process by. Okay, that's it. So this completes my first process. इसी के नीचे बनाओ next process. Process by account. Okay, start. So to raw material input. ठीक है, तो ये ट्रांसफ़र इधर आएगा 4,500 and 26,025. 26,25,000. Next to material 3,63,500. Next to wages 1,87,500. Next to factory overheads and manufacturing overheads 1,63,000. Okay, then what next? Normal loss. By normal loss account, first scrap loss. Scrap loss. How much is scrap loss? So 20% of 4,500. Okay, so let's calculate that. 20% of 4,500. 4,500 ka 20%. How much? 900 units. And these 900 units are sold here for scrap value 100. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 90,000. Okay, next by output carried. So output is kitna? 3750. Okay, just close this. 3750 plus 900. 3750 plus 900. 4650. So this side is more. Okay, the credit side is more. 4650. 4650. कितना हुआ 150. So 150 is abnormal gain. Abnormal. Okay. Now let us check the answer. Debit minus credit. I hope you remember that. Yeah. So we'll have to do that. Working note number 2. Abnormal gain. Debit minus credit of the amount column. Divided by debit minus credit of the quantity column into abnormal gain in quantity. पहले डेबिट साइड टोटल करो फिर क्रेडिट साइड टोटल करो. कितना था 4,500 और ये था कितना है 150. Total it now. Yeah. 2,62,500 plus, no, sorry, not 2 lakhs, 26 lakh 25,000 plus 3,60,500 plus 1,87,500 plus 1,63,000. The answer is 33,39,000. So right here 33,39,000 minus the credit side. So credit side is how much? 90,000. 90. So 90,000 to do that. So minus 90,000. So कितना हुआ 32,49,000. 32,49,000 divided by 4,500 minus 900. So 3,600 into 150. 32,49,000 divided by into 1,35,375. Okay, 1,35,375. Okay, let me check this one. 32,49,000 divided by 3,600. 902.5 is my CPU. 902.5 into 150. Okay. So 1 lakh 35, 375. So write it here. 1 lakh 35, 375. Working note number 2. Okay. So I know my total 33 lakh 39,000. 33 lakh 39,000 plus 135 375. 135 375. 34 lakh 74 375. 34 lakh 74 375. 34 lakh 74 375 minus 90,000. 33 lakh 84 375. 33 lakh 84 375. Okay, divide this with 3,200. 3750. 3 lakh 84 84 375 divided by 3750 902.5. So the answer is right. इसका भी आंसर वही आ रहा है इसका CPU. Okay, same CPU you are getting. So 902.5. Here also I am getting the same answer. CPU is 902.5. Is this clear till here? Then इसके नीचे बनाओ process Y stock account. Very good. Start. Yeah. To raw material input. वही जो इधर आउटपुट था वो वहाँ इनपुट हो जाएगा 3750 and 3385. Actually, I should write here to output brought down 3750. 33 lakh 84 375. 33 lakh 84 375. To opening stock. Opening stock is how much? 1000. These 1000 units are sold for 150. Okay, 1000 and okay, sorry, 1000 multiplied with 150, 1,50,000. By output carried down. Okay. No, I have to take your closing stock. Okay. By closing stock. How much is the closing stock? 750. 750 units are sold for 6902.50. 902.50. 750 into 902.5. 6 lakh 76 877. 6 lakh 76 875. Okay, So whatever is the balance is my output, which will go to the last process, that is process C. One lakh 50 plus 33 lakh 84, 375. 43 lakh 84, 375. It is 35 lakh 34, 375. 4750, 45 lakh 34, 375. 45 lakh 34, 375. Yeah, very good, Sapnir. 28 lakh 57, 500. Yes. My output transferred to process C account. Okay, what is the balance? 6 lakh 76, 875. 28 lakh 57, 500. 28 lakh 57, 500. Absolutely correct, Samira. Nice. Very good. Stop meal also very good. तो मेरा बैलेंसिंग फिगर कितना है 4000. ओके फाइन. अभी लास्ट क्या बनेगा प्रोसेस जेड अकाउंट. क्लियर. प्रोसेस जेड अकाउंट. यही प्रोसेस बन जाएगा इधर इनपुट. $4,028,57,500. Next, to material, 4,71,000. To wages, 2,04,500. Next, to factory overheads or manufacturing overheads, 1,06,500. By normal loss, that too is a scrap loss. Okay, scrap loss percentage is how much? इधर बोला है 15%. 15% of what? 15% of this 4,000. Okay, 4,000 का 15%. 600. Right here, 600. Formula, scrap loss. Yeah, same formula, but थोड़ा variation के साथ. looking at number 3. Debit minus credit. 8 lakh 7,500 plus 4,71,000 plus 2,04,500. 2,04,500. 1,06,500. 36,39,500. 36,39,500. Three lakh 36,900. Okay, apply the scrap formula. 36,39,500. 36,39,500 minus, okay, scrap कितना आया 600. 600 का sale for 200. So this is 12. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so minus 12,000. 12,000. 36 lakh 27,500. Debit minus credit. 4,000 minus 600. 4,000 minus 600. There's an abnormal loss, right? 4,600. Output कितना है? Output 3250. Okay, so right here. By output 3250. 3850. This side is less. 150 is less. So by normal loss. Sorry, you read by abnormal loss. Okay, so 4,000 minus 600. 4,000 minus 600 is how much? 3,400 into कितना आया difference? 150 का into 150. Okay, so 3621 divided by 3,400 into 150. So 1,60,037. 1,60,000. 1,06,000. 1,60,037. ओके 037. इसका एक बार CPU भी देख लो. 36,27,500 डिवाइड बाय 3,400. So 1066.91. So that should also be your probable answer here. Okay. So it is 1,20,000. Okay, Swapnil, thanks. So I'll share this in the Google Classroom, upload it in